Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make baked beans. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Please be sure to check out the new Heart of Gold Cuisine merchandise. The link will be found in the description box. To a pot on medium-high heat, we're going to add 1 cup of dried navy beans, followed by 4 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then we're going to add 10 allspice whole pimentos. Cook for 1 hour. Then we're going to add 2 cups of cold water. Cook for an additional 30 minutes. We're going to test to see if our beans are cooked. And they are. We're going to remove the whole pimentos. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of molasses. Followed by 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. We're going to mix the ingredients together. Then we're going to transfer it to a baking dish. We're going to cover the baked beans with saran wrap, followed by aluminum foil. If you don't have saran wrap, you can just use the aluminum foil. We're going to bake for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to uncover. And cook for an additional 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, oven baked beans. I hope you enjoy this recipe. See you next time.